Okay, so this is video number 2, and I just wanted to go in and grab my light so I can show you some things in the car. Thanks for playing along with me here. Here's the key. Okay, so we'll start it. Here's another thing I want to show you that people call me about all the time. One of my neighbors bought a car, and a brand new car, and they had the same problem. Sometimes if this steering wheel is jacked over to one side or the other, you'll put the key in and the wheel won't turn. So the ignition won't turn. So basically you have to just kind of pull this a little bit to one direction and turn the key, and the key will turn. But that's something that happens to a lot of people. So remember, if your key won't turn, just kind of slightly move the steering wheel while you're turning the key. And then notice when your parking brake is on, it says brake right there. And now that I've got the car running and my foot's on the brake, I can reach underneath here and the parking brake comes off. Now, I actually rented a Subaru when I was on vacation in Seattle just so I could try this. When this button is pushed right here, see the little symbol up there? That's saying when you're on a hill, like if you're in Seattle and you're going up a hill and you get to a red light and you're stuck in a red light uphill, when that light is on right there, when you push this button, it's going to automatically put on the parking brake for you when you put on the regular brake, and then when you give it gas, it's going to take the brake off. It's really neat. It's called incline start assist. People also call it a hill assist. And then just a few things about the audio system. This is your volume right here. See, I'm doing that with my thumb on the steering wheel. And this is to change channels or to change tracks on your phone. You know, if you have a book on tape on CD or something, you can change it this way. This one here is to give commands to the car. Okay, so that's if you want to call someone. And mode takes you between AM, FM, CD, auxiliary, whatever you've got going on. And these two buttons down here are for the phone. We'll cover that in a little bit. Okay, lastly on this one, I wanted to show you. I'll get my pen light here. There we go. Well, you can probably see it, but you see how you have D and M. So you're going to squeeze this bad boy. Your Impreza might have had this, I can't remember. Pull it all the way back to D and you're in automatic. And it says D up there. If you slide it over to the M side, boom, like that, then you've got a paddle shifter. So let me light that one up for you. So this is the right side right here. So you can squeeze that, or this, and you can squeeze the minus one over here if you want to shift down. So basically, if you have your hands on both the paddles, you can shift up or down. So see how it's on 2 right now? When I squeeze the left side over here, the minus goes back down to 1. Okay, so that's what the M mode is all about down here. Sometimes people bump this with their purse or with whatever they've got going on, and then it seems like their car is not shifting, because it's not shifting. It's waiting for you to shift using the paddles right here. So anyway, if that happens, you can move this back and forth between manual and drive anytime you want at any speed. Okay, so don't worry, don't stress. Okay, one more video coming up. Thanks, Hannah.